I'll be teaching you physics. Reflection and refraction of light. Reflection and refraction of light. Don't light. Before I go into this, it's what we call luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Luminous objects are those objects that generate light by themselves naturally. But non-luminous objects are those objects that reflect light. For example, the moon is a non-luminous object. But luminous objects, for example, we have the sun. Sun generates light by itself. So I'm going to reflection and refraction of light. Reflection is a characteristic of wave. Reflection can be defined as when light hits a barrier and moves in the opposite direction. This is what I mean. This is a mirror. Let's a mirror for instance. Light hits here. This is called incident ray. And now this light now bends in the opposite direction. This is what reflection talks about. But now refraction is when there is a change in speed and direction of light when it passes between two medium of different densities. Two medium of different densities. For example, we have the glass prism, rectangular glass prism. Air to glass. The incident ray, the refracted ray. Now I'm going to the calculation since you know a little bit about it. In reflection, you should know that the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of refraction. The angle of reflection, sorry. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of refraction. Here you should know that refractive index is equal to sine I over sine R. You ask, what does this I mean? What does I mean? This I means angle of incidence. What does R mean? This R means angle of refraction. Let us move on. Although, let me tell you the laws before I go to the solving, then I'll end the video. There are two laws of reflection and there are two laws of refraction. The first law of reflection says that the angle of incidence, the angle of reflection, and the normal all lie on the same plane. The second law of reflection says that the angle of incidence equals to the angle of reflection. That's what reflection. Let's go to refraction. Refraction, the first law of refraction states that the angle of refraction, the refracted ray, the incident ray, and the normal, they all lie on the same plane. But the second law states that the sine, the ratio of the sine of angle of incidence, the ratio of the sine of the angle of refraction is equal to a constant. Equals to a what? Is equal to a constant. And that constant is also called what? Refractive index. Called what? Refractive what? Index. Example 1.